Ronaldo, it's a good range as well, really, really far. So kind of give up advantage, advantage of Ronaldo as well, bro. It's in Ronaldo territory, bro. It's in Ronaldo territory. Oh, what a hit! What a shot from Ronaldo! But Courtois, the great save. Wow, what a powerful shot from Ronaldo, bro. What a fucking hit, man. This guy, bro. This guy is crazy. Now it's a chance for Belgium. Belgium shot. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the real Hazard. Thorgan Hazard is the real Hazard, bro. What a shot. What a goal. It's a screamer. Bro, that goal. No way. No way. Patiso can't do fuck all in that. There's no way you can save that. There's no way, man. That's amazing, bro. That's amazing. What a goal. That goal. The movement in the air. Just look at the movement in the air. Obviously, to be honest, at the view again, after the replay, Petitse could have done it a bit better. Could have saved it a bit. It was a bit close than expected. But what a goal, bro. Bro, what a goal. From 25 yards, right? 25 yards. Oh, what a header! What a header! But what a save from Courtois! Wow, what a save! It was straight to him, but still, bro, still a huge save, bro, a huge save. Felix with the cross, maybe a chance. Oh, it's a great shot from Bruno, hitting the post. For fuck's sake, was it Bruno though? Was it Bruno? Belgium have won it, and Portugal are out. Portugal is out, bro. The defending champions are out, guys. I have to say that, the good performance from Belgium. Why? That goal was crazy. Courtois made some decent save. Courtois made some seriously really important save. 2 or 3 saves from Courtois were really, really important. Even after basically losing. But the only sad thing for Belgium is they lost KDB and they lost Eden Hazard today. So let's see how, how they can recover now. The thing in this game is basically amazing from Lukaku, bro. You have to have respect, man, for Lukaku. Lukaku was crazy. Lukaku was amazing. Thorgan Hazard was good. Portugal tried their best with the crosses after, the amount of crosses that Portugal made was huge. They were huge, man. I don't even remember how many crosses they made. Like almost around 20-30 crosses, man. In the first half, there was not many crosses, not many chances from Portugal. But in the second half, they turned it up, bro. But the crosses were always well defended. Amazingly defended by the defense of Belgium, bro. The defense of Belgium was really good. The defense of Belgium is great when it's, when they are basically giving pressure from the crosses, Because they lack the pace, but they don't lack that heading ability. Aerial ability from Vermaelen, Alderweireld, and Vertonghen is crazy. They are crazy. All of these 3 players are crazy in air. And whenever you basically try to score goals from the crosses, it's always gonna be hard. It's always gonna be hard, really hard to do that. And basically, Portugal were only doing that, and that was the problem, bro. Portugal were trying to create chances only from the, these kind of things, or long range shots, which were being saved by Courtois again after again, man. And that's it for Portugal, man. Not the best run till there, but they got past in the group of that, but they fall short to Belgium against Belgium. The reason is because they played. You need to remember that Portugal played. 3 best team, one of 3 best teams, one of 3 favorites of this whole thing, right? They played Belgium, the second best team, France and Belgium, man. You need to understand that, and then Germany as well. They played 3 best team, man, and then they went out, bro. So that's kind of sad. And now it's Belgium versus Italy, which is gonna be crazy because it's gonna be a victory for Belgium. Sorry, bro. It's gonna be a victory for Belgium. I'm telling you that. Guys. Portugal have to, sort their things out. That, they have to basically create chance. When you don't start Bruno, who will create chance for you, bro? In the first half, chances were not created. Bruno was not there. People were talking shit about Bruno, right? Well, you see what happens without Bruno, man. You cannot score goals. You cannot create chances without Bruno. It's really hard to create chances without Bruno, man. You needed that kind of player in Bruno, bro.